A relentless downpour drenched Mumbai and surrounding areas, wreaking havoc on Central Railway's suburban services due to waterlogged tracks and causing major disruptions at the airport, leading to 50 flight cancellations on Monday. Floodwaters inundated numerous low-lying neighborhoods, paralyzing vehicular traffic as residents waded through the submerged streets. In response, the state government declared a holiday for all schools in Mumbai, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg districts, with some areas in Mumbai recording over 300 of rainfall in just 6 hours. Severe flooding impacted roads and neighborhoods alike. The Maharashtra legislature adjourned both houses as many members and officials struggled to reach Vidhan Bhavan. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde took charge of the crisis, conducting a meeting at the Mantralaya and visiting the BMC control room. Train services on the Central Railway's fast line between Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus in South Mumbai and Thane were suspended for hours due to waterlogging but eventually resumed. In Thane, rescue operations saved 54 people from flooded homes, although a bridge was washed away, damaging at least 275 houses and sweeping away around 20 vehicles. Incessant rains lashed Goa for the third straight day, swamping several low-lying areas in the coastal state. Tragically, 3 lives were lost in a wall collapse at Kundayam Industrial Estate in North Goa. The India Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert predicting moderate to heavy showers with strong surface winds gusting up to 40 to 50 km per hour. In Assam's Kaziranga National Park, floods have claimed the lives of at least 131 wild animals, including 6 rhinos and 117 hog deer, primarily due to drowning. A total of 96 animals have been rescued, with 25 under medical care. The park faces its worst deluge in recent memory, reminiscent of the devastating 2017 floods when over 350 animals perished. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma acknowledged the severe impact on both humans and wildlife, with ongoing efforts to provide aid. Heavy rains triggered landslides in Arunachal Pradesh, disrupting access to several districts. Since April 4, people have died due to natural calamities. The floods and landslides have affected over 72,900 people and 257 villages. Key roads, including the Tezu Hayuliang Road and NH 513, remain blocked due to landslides. Meanwhile, Bengaluru braces for continued rainfall in the coming days. Today and tomorrow, temperatures are expected to range between 20 degrees C and 27 degrees C with moderate rain. From July 10th to 12th, temperatures will hover between 20 degrees centigrade and 29 degrees centigrade with light rain. Consistent showers are predicted for July 13th and 14th, with temperatures ranging from 20 degrees C to 28 degrees C. As India grapples with the fury of nature, the resilience of its people shines through amid the chaos and destruction.